Welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to blur any face in Premiere Pro. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. I have been quite busy spending time with my family, but don't worry, you can expect regular videos from me now. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you will stay updated with all the latest tutorials. I work in Essential Workplace. On the left side, I have my videos, effects and other assets. On the right side, we have all the controls, which is great. This setup makes it easy to work with. This is the video we are going to work on. Let's play it. Okay, now let's move on to the effects. Search for Gaussian blur, then drag and drop into the video clip. Apply the desired amount of blur. Next, create an ellipse mask and adjust its size. You can add some feather to the mask. Make sure to choose position, scale and rotation. We can automatically track his face by clicking this button. Stop. Let's see if everything is alright or not. Result is amazing. Let's continue moving forward. Here we go. It's good, but not perfect. As you can see from the results, you will need to make some manual adjustments. We will start by deleting any incorrectly tracked keyframes. And then adjust the position, just like I did. After reviewing and correcting all the incorrect keyframes, this video is now ready for use. You can adjust the blurriness, mask expansion and mask feather values whenever you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Don't forget to share your results in the comment below. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending your time with us. Your support means the world to us, and we cannot wait to see you in the next tutorial. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all the latest tutorials and videos we have.